Cardano cost especially equivalent to $0.3062 a coin, which truly is genuinely huge. The present exchanged cost range, 0.3048, 0.3119, which sort of is very huge. The earlier day close, 0.3102 in a kind of huge way. The change sort of was 0.0040, 1.29%. Which for the most part is very critical. Opposite rates, United States dollars to ADA in a fundamentally large way. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.31, especially greatest 0.33, genuinely least 0.29, or so they essentially thought. Cardano estimate on Friday, August 4, cost $0.30, greatest 0.32, kind of least 0.28, which really is genuinely huge. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $0.30, really most extreme 0.32, certainly least 0.28, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.30, fundamentally most extreme 0.32, essentially least 0.28, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027, really in spite of mainstream thinking. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.30, fundamentally greatest 0.32 in every practical sense, least 0.28. Or so they essentially thought. Cardano gauge on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.30, by and large greatest 0.32, truly least 0.28 in a sort of significant manner. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $0.30, lovely most extreme 0.32, exceptionally least 0.28, which really is genuinely critical. Cardano estimate on Monday, August 14, cost $0.30, kind of greatest 0.32 in every practical sense, least 0.28 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.29, genuinely greatest 0.31 in every way that really matters, least 0.27, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Cardano gauge on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.30, most extreme 0.32, by and large least 0.28, exhibiting that the change fundamentally was 0.0040, 1.29% in a for the most part huge manner. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.30, genuinely greatest 0.32, fundamentally least 0.28 in a sort of significant manner. Cardano figure on Friday, August 18, cost $0.30, certainly most extreme 0.32, by and large least 0.28 in a kind of huge manner. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, August 21, cost $0.29, certainly most extreme 0.31, by and large least 0.27, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.30, genuinely most extreme 0.32, really least 0.28, which especially is very critical. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23, cost $0.30, greatest 0.32, genuinely least 0.28, which generally is very huge. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, August 24, cost $0.30, by and large greatest 0.32 in every way that really matters, least 0.28, which in a real sense is very critical. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, August 25, cost $0.29, lovely greatest 0.31, genuinely least 0.27, which for the most part is very huge. Cardano estimate on Monday, August 28, cost $0.29, especially greatest 0.31, least 0.27 in a genuinely huge way. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, August 29, cost $0.27, especially greatest 0.29, exceptionally least 0.25. Further appearance how in multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.30, beautiful most extreme 0.32, Lovely least 0.28. Really in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about a month, Cardano estimate on Wednesday, August 30, cost $0.31, most extreme 0.33. Truly least 0.29 in a truly significant way. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, August 31, cost $0.31, truly greatest 0.33, kind of least 0.29, which really is genuinely critical. Cardano estimate on Friday, September 1, cost $0.32, most extreme 0.34, all things considered, least 0.30 in a sort of huge way. United States dollars to ADA today. United States dollars to ADA swapping scale commonly equivalent to 3.2658 coins per $1, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Today's reach, 3.2062 to 3.2808 in an extremely significant way. The past day's nearby, 3.2237, or so they really thought. Change for now plus 0.0421, plus 1.31%, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Thursday, August 3, cost 3.226 coins, kind of greatest 3.448. Sort of least 3.030 in an essentially large manner. United States dollars to ADA forecast on Friday, August 4, cost 3.333 coins, especially most extreme 3.571, sort of least 3.125, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Monday, August 7, cost 3.333 coins, extremely greatest 3.571, exceptionally least 3.125 in a really significant way. United States dollars to ADA expectation on Tuesday, August 8, cost 3.333 coins, extremely greatest 3.571, really least 3.125 in a significant way. In multi-week dollar to Cardano gauge on Wednesday, August 9, cost 3.333 coins, essentially most extreme 3.571, truly least 3.125 in a truly significant way. United States dollars to ADA forecast on Thursday, August 10, cost 3.333 coins, kind of greatest 3.571, really least 3.125, which especially is genuinely critical. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Friday, August 11, cost 3.333 coins, really greatest 3.571, for the most part least 3.125. United States dollars to ADA forecast on Monday, August 14, cost 3.333 coins, really greatest 3.571, for the most part least 3.125 in an essentially huge manner. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, August 15, cost 3.448 coins, truly most extreme 3.704, sort of least 3.226 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days, United States dollars to ADA